eyebrow tint dye. It comes with all these tools right here. The eyebrow brush, you can brush your hair, and it's quite a bit. The little scissors that you can trim your eyebrow, some eyebrow pad, and some razor. So there's a lots of things, and these little brush, tons of things. So this is my first time utilizing this. This is the eyebrow tint. This is the medium color, and this is Mimilo. This is the product Mimilo. My first time utilizing this, and it comes with this little bottle with 20 volume peroxide. So my friend, I'm going to share a secret with you. If your eyebrow are gray, which my eyebrow are gray, that means the hair from your eyebrow are very, very coarse and also very resistant to color. So the trick in here, and this is a tip that we learn in the beauty industry, is to apply the eyebrow tint without the peroxide. Leave it on for maybe 10 minutes. Leave it on. So you would just apply just like this without the peroxide, and leave it on about 10-15 minutes, and then after, you do not rinse it, you mix it, the tint So now we see you in 20 minutes. This is the finishing product, and you can see now I want them a little darker because it's going to be going into the winter, and as I say, I wear dark a little bit, usually on the side, and then here underneath, and then here I will dark my hair a little bit. So this is the finishing product, and you can see now prominent. I want them. So this is a finishing look, my friend, and reviving your eyebrow will bring out not just your eyes, but also the highlight on your hair. So in this style, you see, I just curl my hair very, very softly, And we're going to do a ponytail, a soft ponytail, to give yourself something easy for the holidays. Just bring up your hair, spray, do not brush, so you will get a lots of volume, and you're going to do a very, very loose ponytail. You see how I loosen up everything? And just wrap it 2 times to make sure it's secure. Loose a little bit. Now take the hair, take the ponytail, make a circle, take a piece of the hair and just wrap it inside as you would tie up your hair. And bring out the hair out, the excess hair out. And now you're going to secure utilizing hairpin that matches the color of your hair. You see, you want to loose up as much as you can to give this very natural and effortless look for fall and glamorous for the holidays. So this is Chantal Pons, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have enjoyed. Please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to give a like if you have enjoyed this video, and please leave me a comment. Au revoir, merci et à très bientôt.